Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this short tutorial, I will explain you how you can use a screenshot API. So this API can be used for content verification or capturing different stages of user verification or interactions, etc., etc. So let's navigate to our dashboard and see how we can take a screenshot with this API. Here we go. Here's the dashboard, and you just have to paste a sample URL of the page you want to take screenshot of. Let's take example of this website or this URL. Let's hit right button. I got the screenshot and I can download the screenshot directly from here, or you can use this API directly into your working environment. Now let's say you want to take a screenshot of the complete page, like this complete page. In this case, you can take advantage of the full page parameter. You just have to pass this as true and you will get complete screenshot of this page. So if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then do reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.